Welcome back. Do a quick review. Windows Desktop, the taskbar, system tray with system icons with of course the date and time, start menu, and the quick launch. Alright, today we're gonna check our email and Gmail. So we're gonna go to Google Chrome and left click, going out the web browser. You might already have Google as your home page. This is fine. If not, you can just type in www.google.com on your address bar and press enter. As you can see, we're signed in. You might not be signed in. If you're not signed in, then you're going to need to click sign in. That's how you're going to get to your log into the Google account. If you're signed on in, you're ready to go. We're just going to go over here to the Gmail and left click, and it's going to bring us to our inbox. Here we have an email which is not highlighted. It would be highlighted kind of bold print. It was a new email, but this is an old email. I want to go over the inbox right quick. You have the checkbox, you have a star, and you have a conversation tracker. This is who is from. If they're in your contacts, it'll pull up more information about them, their public information. And this is the subject of the email, and this is the first couple of lines from the email. This is the date the email was received. As your mailbox begins to get full, you'll see towards the top right it says 1 of 1. Your pages of emails might increase. These are the newer and older to move between the emails. Over here is a refresh to refresh and check the new mail with the server. Here's a check all options, and of course more options for email. This search bar that you see here is a quick search, which you could find things quickly. Over here shows how full your mailbox is. This is the amount that Google is currently giving away. And this is how much space I'm actually using of what they've given me. This is how long it's been since I've used the account. Over here is the chat. And as I add contacts, it'll show me with the green dot who's online. They also have so if you can call people. And let's check our email. To check our email, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the subject and left click on the subject, pulling that email open, and I want you to remember that you'll see little advertisements over here in this area and right here in this area over just advertisements. I want you to see the back arrow for going back to the inbox. Then after that, there's the archive, which will take it from your inbox and store it into another folder. Report as spam. You may have to be somebody that's a victim of receiving spam mail. You click the report as spam button to send that immediately to the IT professionals at Gmail to help you with that. We have the delete icon. Then we have the move to. If you left click on the move to, it'll pull up some of the folders that are already created. As you see, trash, spam, work, travel, receipts, and personal already there. You can create a new one by going to the create new. Um, you can also manage your labels. We'll talk about labels in another lesson. And you can search your folders if you happen to have a lot of folders and you need to find one quickly. You can simply type in the name and search for it. Okay, let's move on to the next one, which are labels. In the labels section, you can add different labels to different contacts, different emails, etc. Um, you can create a new label. Um, some of the labels that are already there are personal, receipt, travel, work. Of course, you can manage labels. And let's move on to talk about the email itself. Okay, what you see is your email information here. On the email information, it starts with the subject at the top, currently located in our inbox. I can expand all, showing the entire conversation. I can print all, printing the entire conversation, and I can show this entire conversation in a new window. It's expanded, so I can show you what we have here. This is from us going to our friend, and our message, which was, hello, I just wanted to send my first email. Then this line kind of divides the conversation as in going between the two people. And here we have us sending the email, uh, us receiving the email back from our first contact and his message saying thanks for sending me an email. Below that is to continue the conversation by either replying or forwarding, and that's how you check your mail. And that's my time for today, and I hope you'll join me next time.